for that once-in-a-while weekend trip. Of course, Kia still has to address the second-hand value of its cars, but this latest foray is definitely a step in the right direction. And for 75,800 ringgit, which will get you the base 1.6 EX, what else can you ask for? A resounding 7 for the 40.
Coming right up, Driven puts nitrogen gas in tires to the test.
Nitrogen is a colorless, odorless gas used to inflate tires of racing cars and heavy vehicles. But for us normal blokes, should we pay 5 ringgit per tire for nitrogen gas? Driven puts it to the test to find out how much fuel you can save and how much performance advantage you can expect. The air that we breathe, which is commonly used to inflate tires, contain up to 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% of other gases. Now the problem with this 21% oxygen is that with oxygen there's oxidation, and oxidation isn't good for your tires. They increase wear and tear. Now the theory is by inflating your tires with up to 95% nitrogen, you actually minimize oxidation and decrease wear and tear on your tires, meaning you save money. And when you save money, you can do things such as this. Nitrogen is produced by separating nitrogen and oxygen from the air we breathe. This lean green machine will do all the work for you. Plus, it's found in almost any tire shop in Malaysia.
Since Half has filled his tires with 34 psi of nitrogen gas, looks like I've got to do the same, but this time mine is with air. 34 psi would be standard for this tire size. Plus, we'll be doing this test with identical cars of the same engine and fuel capacity. 34 psi.
With 5 ringgit a tire, you'll get your tires deflated and reinflated with nitrogen. Now we're all ready to run our test. Let's see whether it's worth it or not.
Since nitrogen gas is supposed to keep your tires inflated longer, in theory, it should definitely give you better mileage. For our fuel consumption test, we'll fill up both tanks to the brim, do a medium distance drive, and we'll see who has the emptier tank at the end of our journey. Here we go!